Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant. We're taking a look at a perfect trend line bounce in RBOB on a daily chart. It happened today, and RBOB immediately rallied from that low of 3.075, call it, a little bit below that, to a current price of 3.14. So quite a bit, rallied about 700 ticks right off of that low. And we actually caught that in the trading room today for a long. It turned out to be a great trade. Now, a couple things we need to look for and watch for when trading is opportunities like this. Now, the way you do it is you'll draw a trend line connecting the very obvious lows from a market. So if the market comes down and bounces like it did there, and comes down and bounces like it did here, then it makes very obvious lows. And what you can do is oftentimes draw a trend line connecting those lows, and you'll see the market will a lot of times respect that trend line, hit it, and bounce, just like we saw on RBOB here. One of the things that I try to keep my eye open for when trading throughout the day is trend line tests and retests. What can also happen is if the market breaks through the trend line, it can continue lower, and then that support from the trend line then becomes resistance. So for example, if RBOB had broken through the trend line today and gone below it, then we could have seen it come back up, retest that trend line, and break lower, like we saw the euro do earlier this week. So this is, again, just a textbook example of a trend line bounce in RBOB, or unleaded gasoline, and that was right off of a bearish divergence on the daily. We had lower highs on our indicators while we had higher high prices there. So we called the top, and so far we've called the bottom in RBOB using value charts and the MQ indicators. So we'll continue to follow this market. It's been trading very well for us in the trading room. Again, just a perfect example of a trend line retest. So we'll keep on trading this, following this market. This week has been an exciting week, a lot of volatility and a lot of great trading opportunities. So until next time, happy trading.